Welcome back, gamers. Today, we're tackling an annoying issue many Valorant players face, the infamous black screen. Don't worry, we've got solutions for you. First, let's make sure your system meets Valorant's requirements. Have a look at the minimum and recommended specs to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Next, we'll verify the game files. If you're using the Riot client or Steam, this process can help fix any corrupted files that might be causing the black screen. Always keep your graphics drivers updated. Let's head to the device manager and check if you need to update your drivers to the latest version. Disabling full screen optimization can sometimes resolve graphical issues. Right-click the game's executable, go to Properties, and turn off full screen optimizations. In the game settings, try changing the display mode. Experiment with windowed, full screen, and borderless window mode to see which one works best for you. Another tip is to run Valorant as an administrator. This gives the game elevated permissions that may solve your black screen issue. Let's check your Windows display settings. Adjust the scaling and resolution to ensure they match your monitor's capabilities. Sometimes, antivirus or firewall software can block Valorant. Try temporarily disabling these to see if that resolves your issue. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to check out the official Riot support page or community forums for more help. Happy gaming!